How to reach board 300 on Monopoly Go. The first things first is make sure that you already created an account with Monopoly Go and it's for free. And for you to be able to get this, all I have to do is just to go to via the Play Store and just download this application right here. I'm gonna just fill out first the necessary information that I have here. So let's start play with guest. Now in here, there is actually no tricks on for you to be able to get instantly with board 300 immediately. All you have to do is just play the game every day or any time of the hour that you want. As long as the game is running and your dice is currently rolling down for you to be able to unlock all those statues out there, and you'll just have to play along with it. So that's it. There again, there is actually no cheats or tips or tricks that you can do. All you have to do is just play the game for daily basis and just upgrade every landmarks that you will unlock for you to be able to reach the board 300. So that's it.